Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into the world of privacy and security by learning how to install Tails OS on a pendrive. If you're concerned about your online activities being tracked or monitored, then Tails is the perfect solution for you. It's a completely anonymous operating system that runs directly from a USB drive, leaving no trace on your computer. So, let's get started. What is Tails OS? Before we jump into the installation process, let's quickly understand what Tails OS is. Tails, which stands for the Amnesic Incognito Live System, is a live operating system based on Debian GNU Linux. It's designed to protect your privacy and anonymity by preventing data from being stored on your computer. All your internet activity is routed through the Tor network, making it extremely difficult to track your online footprint. The first step is to prepare your pendrive for the Tails installation. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage space. It's recommended to use a new, empty pendrive to avoid any data loss. Before proceeding, make sure to back up any important files from your pendrive, as the installation process will erase all existing data. We need to format the pendrive to a FAT-free-to-file system. This is essential for compatibility with various devices. The next step is to download the Tails OS image. Visit the official Tails website and download the latest version. Choose the appropriate download link based on your operating system. Now, we need to create a bootable pendrive using the downloaded Tails image. You'll need a USB writing tool like Etcher, Rufus, or a NetBootin. Once the bootable pendrive is created, it's time to boot your computer from it. You'll need to access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings to change the boot order. This process varies depending on your computer's manufacturer. And that's it! You've successfully installed Tails OS on your pendrive. Remember, Tails is a powerful tool for protecting your privacy, but it's important to use it responsibly. Always be aware of the risks associated with online activities, even when using Tails. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.